I'd like to welcome everybody to the Silverhill car show. It's Memorial Day weekend. There's an incredible number of cars here. I'm Dan of Dan's Hot Rod Channel. I'm going to give you a whole bunch of cars to look at today, so enjoy the ride. Okay, we're going to take a walk down Blower Row right now. Everything blown in this aisle right here. We got ourselves a 67 Chevelle. Nice flames on it. And guess what? We got another 67 Chevelle. But not blown, but sure helped. Nice chrome motor. Big block Chevy. Look at the paint on this car. Wow. And here's the Chevelle again. The other one. Then we're going to this Chevy truck. Blown 408. 65 blown. Look at the detail on this blower. My goodness. Well, we're talking thousands of horsepower that's floating around here. Got the BDS blower. Next up, we got a small block, Post Street. This is Quint. Now he runs this whole car show. He's got a nice car. He's shown up in a bunch of my videos. Then we got the 66 Nova. Look at the blower on this one. Oh my goodness. Is this sweet or what? And the purple paint, exhaust out the side. Look at that. Look at that. Then we got a 70 Camaro. Man. Look at this blower. Wow. Is this amazing? Look at the belts. All black. Here's the Chevelle again. And you're not going to believe this, but we got a 61 Comet with a blower on it. This is way before Sox and Martin and those guys were putting big blocks in the... That is really something else. So there you have it. Blower Row. Here's a picture of the Comet. The Camaro. The Chevelle. Chevy truck. Another Chevy truck. Chevelle again. And another Chevelle, 67 back we go. And actually I missed one here. We got another truck. Got a Wheeling blower. This is sweet also. 1966 Chevy. There you have it, Blowers Row. You're not going to see horsepower like this. Okay, Mike, what you got?
All right, it's Mike and Mike's American Muscle Cars, and all we do is try and inform all our car community on where the car shows are at. Today we're here at the 23rd Annual Memorial Weekend Car Show in Silverhill, Alabama, and we're just having a good time hanging out with everybody. I haven't got a car count yet, but there are a lot of vehicles here today. And if you'll check out our website, you can find out where the next events are going to be near you. Next weekend, we're going to be over in Mobile at the Elks Lodge, doing a little charity show for some friends of ours. And then the weekend after that, there's going to be a big car show and drive-in movie event in Fairhope. And you can also check that out on the website, Mike'sAmericanMuscleCars.com or Mike'sMuscleCarsShows.com. Either one, both go to the same website. Anyway,
Thanks,
appreciate it.
Yeah, no, just get it. Back it up.
This is my 1973 Datsun 240Z with all custom handmade body, LS7, rear mounted 6-speed
one wild 240Z.
hydraulic coilovers.
Biggest flares I've ever seen. Man, this looks like right off the racetrack. Put it down again, if you might. Check this out. Sweet.
And so you can race on this suspension because it's hydraulic instead
Yeah.
of air. It doesn't change your spring rate. It's a lot like the Lamborghinis and GT40s have. So, and actually these coilovers are from a Lamborghini. So
That's a nice
little small hydraulic pump behind the seat here. Really cool JRI shocks.
Cool. Well, thank you very much.
Yeah, no
Looky
problem.
here. We got ourselves a 2013 Charger. This is my car. There's the Trophy Best in Show. Got the moon eyes on it. There you go. Charger RT, Dan Walker. We got the wrap steering wheel in the back. What better entertainment than Coca-Cola? And look at this touch. The gas, water, and oil cans. Hand pinstripe for me. And rat thing. Let's start off with the wildest of the wild here. Got a rat rod race car. The parachute on it. Big boy hot rod. It's like a 1937 Pontiac. Twin carburetors. Man, this thing is rad. Hot rod breakfast. Look what we got here. Warwick Gilmore. Tank now. I know Gilmore sponsored some Indy cars. We got a little Harvester pedal truck. 64 Mustang, 64 and a half. I rode in one of these at the World's Fair back in 1964. The full-size one, of course. Got something like added Mickey Mouse here. Riding that train with Casey Jones, Cannonball Express. And don't forget Dino the Dinosaur. Dino Gasoline. That's the man. There we got a stoplight, which is pretty unusual. And we got an oil pump. Or gas pump. Phillips 66. Look at this beautiful 64 T-Bird. Beautiful color. Landau top. You don't see interiors like this anymore. No way. Just incredible. So we got a good sized trunk. '68 Monty Murray SS. Okay, what do you got?
It's a 65 Pontiac.
Truck.
It's got a 421.
Let me just get a video.
With a Richmond 6-speed, a 9-inch Ford rear end, 370 gears. I painted it.
You did all the
body work myself. Tucked in the bumpers, de-chromed
There
everything.
you go. 421 tri-power.
Did the dash.
65 Tempest. It looks great.
Thank you.
You'll outrun a GT. Especially putting the 421 in it with a
Yeah,
truck.
I know.